Today we are going to make Ragi green gram dosa. Take half a cup of ragi and half a cup of green gram in a bowl. Wash it thoroughly. Now add 3 cups of water and soak it for 6 hours. Now transfer the soaked ragi and green gram into a blender. Add 1 sprig of curry leaves, 1 green chilli, a small piece of ginger, 10 small onions, 1 teaspoon of jeera, 1/4 teaspoon of Asafoetida powder and a little salt. Add a little water and grind this into a smooth batter. Transfer it into a bowl. It should be in the consistency of dosa batter. Now heat a dosa tawa over medium flame and grease it with oil. Pour 1 ladle of batter and spread it evenly. Sprinkle a few drops of oil. After 1 minute, flip it over. Cook the other side also for 1 minute. Now it is ready, take it out. This will go well with onion tomato chutney or coconut chutney. Please try it out and post your feedback.